Hey guys, my name's Corbin and this is my 1 hour of GameDev for an RTS game. Disclaimer, I will not be showing how to install Unity, set up the environment that I have, or install a different code editor. What you see playing right now is the result of 1 hour of GameDev. If you are interested in Unity, please visit the main Unity website at unity.com. I will be using Unity 2022.3.3f1 LTS. I am using OBS to record, and my code editor is Visual Studio Code paired with Copilot. The first thing I'll be doing is organizing my project panel. Next, I will initiate a Git repository in the root folder of my Unity project for version control. I would advise that you use a .gitignore file. This will tell Git to ignore a lot of unnecessary garbage files that we don't want to track. A link to this particular .gitignore file will be in the description below. During this section of the video, I will be setting up the scene and more folders to further organize my project panel. Please skip to the 7-minute mark or enjoy the music while I set things up. Right now, I am making the scriptable objects to store the data for our units. To see the creation of the units, please skip to 9 minutes and 20 seconds. I will be using Visual Studio Code for my scripting editor paired with Copilot to assist me in programming. I am very familiar with C# and I have a good idea of how I want my code to work. I mainly use Copilot to help save time. I will be using Unity's basic shapes to create these units. These unit models will be placeholders for the time being and are not final designs. Please enjoy the rest of the video. To skip to the final result, forward the video to 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Within 1 hour of development, I'm able to spawn units, select units, and determine their destination. It's not perfect, but what would you expect for 1 hour of development? Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the music.